killed, betrayed, and used everyone for you, to protect you. I just don't know what's right and what's wrong now. I'm really sorry. I just wanted to protect you. I just wanted to make everything better. Sorry. I'm really sorry, Poppy. I will always protect you, Poppy.
Aww, I can hear your hug. I just want to meet us together, my best friend. I know you, prototype. I'll always be happy you are. Thank you.
Don't be sad.
This is just beyond fucked up. First, I killed Lavender Hemka, and now I have to kill Yellow Hemka? Lola, I'm gonna need some backup. When I give the signal, we tear him in half. Got it?
I'm ready for anything that's about to be complete, Penknife. Yellow Hemka will be our 20th victim.
Good. On 3, okay? Ready? 1,